Had a bit of a stormy morning this morning. It's not too bad now. And I got PemPem. Oh, puppy. See, that's his spot. Looking out the window. Headed over to the office, go do some paperwork. Oh, he just hit his head on the window. Sorry, PemPem. Take care of some of that paperwork stuff. Timesheets and all that kind of thing, so he can build some of these projects out. Talk about getting the bit of home this whole morning's 1:30. Probably talk about getting all that equipment posted so some of it can get sold. So I'm sure Ben wants to get out of some of those bills. And see what they have planned for us in the next couple of days. This water is going to mess up the top of the mountain project we have, the one I keep getting stuck on without it being wet. So not too terribly optimistic on how that's actually going to go, but at least we can get a few things done today. I've been on the computer the entire morning and all last night. I don't think I went to bed till about midnight, and then this morning I'm trying to get a bunch of it done. So as of right this moment in time, I'm at 671 subscribers. I'm thinking about paying the couple $100 it's going to take to get over 1,000 so I can get my channel monetized, so I can use that monetization money for a little bit more growth and bills and whatnot. It's not going to be a lot of money, but it's better than nothing, I suppose. So I'm debating going into debt to get out of debt, essentially. Just don't know what the correct answer is. Still trying to figure that out. But either way, stormed most of the morning, and now it's seemed to quit. I think it's probably about done for the day. And I doubt we're going to get anything done as far as excavating is concerned, but it sounds like we'll be able to have a whole bunch of time to do paperwork and whatnot. Get some bills paid and all that kind of stuff. So, but I get a puppy. I just gave PemPem a new treat, this one, and he's just holding it in his mouth. Hey, PemPem, PemPem, eat it. Won't eat it. He's just holding it. I don't know if he doesn't like it or if he's trying to savor it. But there's right across the street from the truck stops. There's kind of a lot going on in general. Hey, you gonna eat it? PemPem. Hey. Hey. He won't eat it. He's being weird. Sing! 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 PemPem. Sing! 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 Good boy. That's good singing.